back to my channel, and here we are going to work on the front elevation of this building. So as we are looking at the object in this direction, this is the entrance into the building. So this is the front. So we are going to see the edge of this wall, and we see the edge of this wall. Then there is a column here, so which we are going to create, and we also have a beam. And then we see the edge of this wall, also the edge of the wall here, we are going to see it. So we see this window, and we see these two windows here. We are going to see this door, and we are going to see this window. Okay, so those are the things that we are going to put together to get the front elevation of this building. So the first thing that we need to do here is to draw what we call so ground line. So I'm going to draw horizontal line here. So here I will draw horizontal line. So as the ground level line. So let me put GL here. Okay, so for ground level, so this is GL. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point. So from this point for the edge of the wall that we are going to see here. And also I will also draw a vertical line from here. So for this column, so I will also draw that same vertical line here for the column. Okay, so coming to this point here, I'm going to draw a vertical line for the edge of this wall here, and I will also draw a vertical line for the edge of this wall. Okay, so we have this. So then the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to get the floor level. So floor level, so I'll just take a measurement of so 1.5 millimeters. Then I will draw horizontal line. So here I will draw horizontal line like this. Okay, so I'm going to okay, all right, so I'm going to put FL here for the floor level. Okay, all right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is to go to the roof. So for the roof, we are told that as we have here, we have that pitch 15-degree double gable with corrugated steel sheet. And all right, so and another thing that I noticed about this building sketch plan is that we are not given the reach. There's no reach here, so we don't know whether the reach cap or the reach is in this direction or is in this direction. But what I'm assuming is that it should be around here, so they are supposed to draw it around here. Let me show us something for the reach. So in case you have not seen it before, let me show you something. Alright, so this is also an examination question. If you look at this, so this short line that is drawn here, from here to here, they wrote it here that this is the reach. So let me bring it up a little bit so you can see it. So this is the reach here. Okay, but it is not given here in this drawing, okay, or in the sketch plan. So I'm just thinking that the reach is along this line, okay, around here. All right, so let's go. So the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to as we have known the pitch angle to be 15, they say pitch 15-degree double gable with corrugated steel sheet. Okay, then we also need to look for the floor to ceiling height, and it is written here 3,150 is the floor to ceiling height. Okay, so if I divide that 3,150 by 100, that will give me 31.5. So I'll just make it 32. So I'm going to take a measurement of 32 millimeters from the floor level here. So 32 millimeters up. So this is 32 millimeters. So then I'm going to draw horizontal line. So draw horizontal line here. Okay, so another thing that I'm going to do is to take the pitch angle. So I will take the pitch angle. The pitch angle is 15 degree. So it's 15 degree. So I'm trying to get my protractor. So 15 degree. So setting my protractor at this point here. At this point. Okay. So I have 15 degree here. So this is 15 degree. Okay. So that's it. So then I'm going to draw horizontal line. So at this point I will draw horizontal line like this. Okay, so we have that. So the next thing that I'm going to do here is that I need to bring down this east projection. So that is the line I will have around there. So that is east projection as we have taken it. Okay, this line is not straight due to the way I position the T-square. So I also need to draw a vertical line down here. Okay, so for fascia board that we are going to see here on the roof, so I will just take the fascia board. I will take 3 millimeters for that. 3 millimeters for fascia board. So this is 3 millimeters here. Okay, so here I'm going to draw horizontal line for the fascia board from here to here like this. Okay, so that's the fascia board. Then also so the roofing material, it goes a little bit beyond the east projection. So I believe we know that. So the roofing material, it goes a little bit beyond. So let's take that as something like 3 millimeters or 4 millimeters. Let's make it 4 millimeters. So 4 millimeters from here. So this is 4 millimeters. And then, so from here, I will take 4 millimeters. Okay, so then we are going to make this a thick line. So make this a thick line from here to here. And then we also make this a thick line from here to here like this. Okay, so that's the roofing material. Another thing that we have here is the ridge. So the ridge, so I'll just come down a little bit here, and then I will draw horizontal line like this for the ridge. Alright, so also this line, I need to make it a thick line for the fascia board from here to here. Then, so I'm going to make this line a thick line, and this line will also be a thick line. So another thing that we have here is that because they mention double gable, so we are going to make this line. So this line, we are going to make it a thick line around here. Okay, so it's going to be a thick line around here. There'll be a line, a thick line here. Okay, so we leave that as we have it there. So we are done with the roof, but before I go on, let's make this the edge of this wall. Let's make it a thick line from here down. Then we also have the edge of the wall here. Let's make it a thick line down. Then also, so we also have this. Okay, let's make it a thick line down. So then here we are going to have a beam here. So let's look at the beam. The information is given about the beam. So we are told that beam 225 by 225 reinforced concrete at 2,400 above floor level. So 2,400 above the floor level, that will be 24 millimeters. So we are going to take a measurement of 24 millimeters from the floor level up. We take 24 millimeters. This is 24 millimeters. Okay, here's 24 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I will draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so this is how I want it to be. Okay, so all right, so then let me take it to this point. Okay, so here I need to make it a thick line from here to here, so for it to be feasible. Okay, all right, so then this line will also be a thick line. So then there is a column here. So there is a column here. So I will make this a thick line and also make this a thick line. So the column has come out here now. Alright, so then for this ground level line, I need to make it a thick line. I need to make it a thick line from here to here. Okay. Alright, and for the floor level, so let me complete it. So around here, because this is a veranda, we are going to see everything here. We're going to see everything here like this. Okay. Okay, so we are going to see the edge of the pavement here in the veranda, and then so for this we are not going to see the inner part of this room, so we make it with short dashes line. And here also the same thing applies. Okay, so now let's work on the door. So for the door, I'm going to draw a line here. So for the door, so we have this line, and then we have this line. Okay, so the door is, we are going to take 21 millimeters up, so that is the height of the door. 21 millimeters up here, that's the height of the door. So this is 21 millimeters. So we have 21 millimeters, and then we are going to draw it all through here, because the top edge of the door and that of the windows, they are on the same level. Okay, so let's take note of that. I think I've said that several times. Okay, so then we'll come down a little bit to create the, move up a little, so to create the frame for the door, so then come here a little, and then I will draw a vertical line. Alright, so then so what we have next, so what type of door are we dealing with? So they said the door is okay, so wooden panel door. So wooden panel door. So what I will just do here is to okay, so I will come to the middle here. So draw a vertical line here. I'll also draw a vertical line here like this. Then so since it's a wooden panel door, so I'm going to draw horizontal line, so here and here like this, then come down, draw horizontal line here and here. Okay, so I'm not going to put any design, so I'll just show that this is wood. So I've created the panel, just that I'm not designing them. So this symbol that I'm putting is to show that this is wooden. Okay. Alright, so that is the door. So then the windows that we have here, for the windows, so I'm going to draw a vertical line down. Here also I have a vertical line. Then here I will draw a vertical line here. Alright, so then we come up a little. So we draw this line for the frame. then I'm going to, so for this window, which is W1, so it is 12 by 12 by 12. So I will take 12 millimeters from this point down. So this is 12 millimeters, and here I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So this horizontal line, I will extend it to this side, and I will also extend it to this side, because we have a window here and also a window here. So then, so coming down a little, so I will draw horizontal line here like this. Then so draw a vertical line. So let me make it a thick line at once. Okay. So we are told that the windows are aluminum casements. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to break this into two, like this, so that we can open it. We have two pieces here, like this. Then the rest is what is glass. So I will also break this down. Okay, so the rest is glass. So here we just put the symbol for glass here. Then alright, so this shows that it is this is glass. So I will also do the same thing here and here. While I pause the video, when I'm done, I will come and show you what we have done. Alright, so here we have the front elevation in place, and the windows are there. So this window and this windows here and this window, so we have them here, and I've written front elevation scale 1:100 here, and also I indicated the ground level and also the floor level. So it's as simple as I've done it here. Thank you and God bless you.